So I wanted to make a quick video using the True Touch interface in the 3rd generation Acura RDX. I know there have been, when you go online and you read about RDX, look at YouTube videos, so many people have their frustrations and complaints and challenges with the True Touch interface. I do think this is a neat system, and I think it's relatively easy to use. And I'm just going to do some voice recognitions. I'm on the way to run some errands really quickly, but I'm going to, let's say I want to go to Disney World. I simply press the talk button. Take me to Walt Disney World.
Please make a selection by name or line number.
1.
Starting route to Walt Disney World Resort.
Pretty dang on simple, I would say.
After
426 miles.
Turn left.
Naturally, I'm not going to Walt Disney World, so I'm going to go ahead and cancel that. Another way in which people might use the True Touch interface and the navigation system in the Acura RDX is to input addresses using the hand recognition. And so I'm gonna type my local bike shop, and you can see how I have my tiles or icons or whatever they're called arrayed on the screen here. So, you know, let's say for instance I'm looking ahead like I'm supposed to be, and I know I want navigation, so I'm just going to touch this top left hand corner here, and I know that's going to give me the navigation screen. And your menu items are already up here. If you don't touch the True Touchpad interface in a while, those items will go away. But if you want to summon them again, you simply touch the True Touchpad interface. Just tap it. Don't click on it. Simply tap it. And I want to find a specific place, and I'm going to use the search function over here. And let's say, for instance, I want to go to the bike shop here in town. After this traffic clears on the left, I will show you how that works. So I'm going to just type James Bros Bikes here using the True Touch interface. I think I have pretty decent handwriting in real life, so I don't know that this handwriting is reflective of my actual handwriting. And by I don't know, I'm saying it is absolutely not. So it should be registering those things that I just typed. And hopefully you can see that on the screen there. So it's typed up or written James Bros Bikes, which is exactly what I wrote. I'm going to go ahead and click it. And let's say, for instance, I want to go to the one in Opelika. I would actually make a left here. I already know how to get there. But or the one on Donahue. I'm going to touch this part of the screen down here, and I'm going to go ahead and click go. So it's super easy.
Now turn right.
In my opinion, yep. I understand that we all learn differently. We're accustomed to the ways in which we use older systems or more popular systems. But if folks give it an opportunity, I think they'll truly understand how to use it, and they'll find that it's pretty simple.